Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, experiencing a frozen PlayStation 5 can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of a game. It's a common issue, but often, there are straightforward solutions we can try together to get your console running smoothly again. We're going to walk through some of the most effective steps, even looking ahead to any new considerations for 2025. When your PlayStation 5 freezes, the first step is often the simplest one. Try fully power cycling your console by unplugging it from the wall for at least 2 minutes, then plug it back in. Also, make sure all your HDMI and power cables are securely connected. Sometimes, these basic checks can resolve the issue immediately, getting you back into the action quickly. Keeping your PlayStation 5's software up to date is crucial for stability. Always check for the latest system software updates and ensure your games are fully patched. Additionally, rebuilding the database in safe mode can often fix corrupt data that might be causing freezes. This simple process can really improve your console's performance and prevent future issues. Your PlayStation 5 needs enough free space to run smoothly, so clear out old games and apps you no longer use. Overheating is another big culprit. Make sure your console has plenty of ventilation and isn't tucked away in a cramped space. Regularly cleaning the dust from the vents can also significantly help prevent your PlayStation 5 from freezing. If basic steps don't work, a factory reset might be necessary as a last resort, but remember this erases all your data, so back everything up first. If issues persist, it's definitely time to reach out to PlayStation support. Your console might still be under warranty, and they can offer more specialized assistance if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.